Namaste everyone. Welcome to Daily Yoga Session by Yogway in 2026. Today we will have a 20 minutes beautiful hip opening yoga flow. It will release all the tension from your hip area and lower back. Now let's start with centralizing the breath. Close your eyes. Check your posture with eyes closed. Spine should be straight. Head should be in line with the spine. Hands resting on the knees. Shoulders relaxed. Face soften. Dirgh Pranayama. We will move for flow breathing. 3 deep inhale and even slower exhale. Take full charge of your breath for next 3 breaths. Bring your both the hands in Gyan Mudra. Let's chant one Om to begin the session. Inhale. Join your hands in Pranam Mudra. Bow your head down. And let's set an intention for today's yoga flow. Promise yourself to be on the mat during the session and be with your breath. Very gently rub your palms. Apply the heat generated on your eyes and very slowly open the eyes looking towards the floor in front of you. Let's start with the warm up. Both the hands on the sides. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, arms down, chin to chest. We will move 10 times. Inhale, exhale. 2, 3. Lengthen your spine when you stretch your hands up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On 10, take your hands up, interlock your fingers inside out and keep looking upward. Stay here. 3 long breaths. Exhale and release. Next will be side bending. Place your left forearm on the left. Right arm will be straight, hands pointing away from you and bend to your left. Ensure that your opposite hip and knee should be on the mat. And don't slouch forward. Keep your chest open. Exhale to center, inhale to other side. Ensure that posture should be correct up to best of you. Inhale to left, exhale to right. 2. Let's move 10 times. Keep moving. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's hold left side first. You can look front or look up towards the ceiling. Stay here. Exhale to center and inhale to other side. And stay in the stretch. Breathe in the stretch. Exhale to center. Next will be twisting. So hold your right knee with your left hand. Place your right hand on the back and twist back. Exhale to center. Inhale to other side. Two. Inhale right. Exhale center. Inhale left. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and let's hold on 10. Right side, twist back. Take your chest out, spine straight. Close your eyes and breathe through your belly. Exhale to center and other side. Hold. Check the posture, spine straight, chest out, belly breathing. When I say check the posture, always check the posture with eyes closed. Inhale to center. When you hold in the posture, just close your eyes there. Maybe this hold is for 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Just be there and observe yourself with closed eyes and be with your breath. That's where from yoga's beauty comes to your life. Now next will be come to cat cow. Inhale, drop the belly, look up. Exhale, round the spine, head between the arms. We will move 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come to the center. Now next will be tiger movement. So from here we are in tabletop position. Inhale, raise your right leg up. Keep the knee bent, toe pointing upward and look up. Exhale, knee to forehead. We will move 3 times but very slow. Look at the every part of your body moving. Last one, knee to forehead and hold. 3, 2, 1 and release. Now same with the left side. Keep the movement flow. Inhale, leg up, head up, exhale, knee to forehead, and keep it flow as possible. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. One last. Knee to forehead and hold. And release. Very nice. Now next will be just for better circulation of blood in your legs. Meet me in down dog. Stay in down dog. Now close your eyes here and observe your posture. 3 deep inhale and even slower exhale in downward dog. Exhale and release. Come to tabletop position again. Now from here, next will be, all these movements are my favorite movements. They really work on your hip area, your glute muscles, and help shapen them in a beautiful way. So inhale, raise your right knee up. Now look, your foot should be in line with your knee. It should not be like this. It should not be like this. Okay, keep it here and exhale. Take it down. Take it down very slow, resisting it against the gravity. Inhale, exhale. Flow up, flow down. 3, 4. Don't touch the knee on the mat. Okay, keep it little away, half inch up. Now last, hold there. Take it up and hold. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale and release. Left side. Inhale, exhale. Don't touch the knee on the mat. 2. Movement will be slow. 3, 4, 5, and this time move up and stay there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it down and relax in child pose or Vajrasana. Now we will move with hip circles. Just relax a little bit and let's move again. Now tabletop, and we will move with right leg, right hip. We will make the circles, knee to elbow up and then properly back and down. This is one. We will move 6 times. 2, Take it as up as you can, and once it is back, turn it. 3. Movement should be flow, and your focus should be on the movement of your hip muscles. Four, 5, and 6. Come to the center. Let's move with left side. Front, side, up and back. 1. It should be like that you are making a big circle with your knee, and keep your knee bent. 3, 4, 5, 6. Very nice. And now with right knee again, but in opposite direction. If you feel tired, you can relax a little bit. Now we will move back, side and front. Come to tabletop again. Let's move. Keep the knee bent like in tiger movement. Take it up. Rotate to the side and front. 1. Keep it flow. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Other side. Up, turn to the side, front and back to zero position. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come to the center and relax in child pose if you feel. 3 breaths. Come up. Now we will hold in lizard pose both sides quickly, and after that close the session doing some restorative poses. Come front, tabletop, right leg up, 3-leg dog, right foot outside the right palm. Adjust the back foot more back and come on your elbows. Hold here. You can drop your back knee on the mat if this is too much for you. And your right knee should be near the right shoulder. Don't sway it away. Press the palms. Come back. Back to down dog. This time, left leg up, 3-leg dog. Left foot outside the left palm. Adjust the back foot, drag it more back. Come on your elbows, lizard pose. Gaze between the palms. Left knee should be near the left shoulder. Stay strong. Option to drop the back knee on the mat. Hold. Pressing the palms, come back to Down dog. Now from here, move towards the hand with baby steps. And stay here in ragdoll. Hang your upper body and relax. You can also swing side to side. Make your way to sitting posture. Let's hold in boat pose, 3 breaths. You can also keep the knee bent or take support from the mat. Stay here. Release. Make your way to lying posture. Now from here, bend your knees and let's hold in Setu Bandhasana. Inhale, raise your hips up, chest out and hold here. Keep pushing your glutes out. Both the feet firmly pressing on the mat. Now again we will exit the pose very slow, starting from upper back, followed by the middle back, lower back and hips. Very nice. Figure 4 stretch. Right ankle on left knee, threading the right hand in between the legs, left hand outside the left leg. Hold the shin and pull it towards the chest. Breathe here. Close your eyes. Exhale and release. Switch the side. Left ankle on right knee, threading the left hand between the legs, right hand outside the right leg. Hold the right shin. Close the eyes and breathe in the stretch. Release. Both the feet mat width apart, parallel to each other. Hands, fingers interlocked under the head. Drop your knees to the left, look towards your right. Stay in the spinal twist. Exhale to center, inhale to other side. Knees to the right and gaze to the left. Option to close the eyes and breathe. Very gently make your way to the center. Now next will be happy baby pose. Keep your both the legs up. Hold outer arc of your feet. And now from here swing side to side. Very gently make your way back. And let's move to Shavasana. Release, hold the weight on the mat. Release everything onto the mat. though be it your weight or your thoughts. Just stay with your breath. Let's bring the awareness back. Move your toes, wiggle your fingers, turn your head to the right, then to the left. Bring your feet together, interlock your fingers above head, stretch your body in the flying posture. Bending the knees, turn to any preferable side, taking palms under the head. Now, taking foot off the mat, come to seated posture. Keep your eyes closed if possible. Adjust yourself. Sit with both hands in Gyan Mudra and sit here in silent meditation for 3 breaths. 3 deep inhale and slower exhale. Now from here we will move for Bhramari. Cover your eyes gently with your fingers. Plug in your ears with the thumbs and produce hum sound 3 times on your own. Inhale. Release. Bring your both the hands back to Gyan Mudra and observe the sensation after Bhramari. Let's chant one Om to end the session. Inhale. Both the hands in Pranam Mudra. Bow your head down. Just be thankful to yourself for showing up on the mat today. For fulfillment of intention set at the beginning of the workout, very gently rub your palms. Apply the heat generated on your eyes and open the eyes very gently, looking towards the floor in front of you. Namaste everyone. See you tomorrow.